Hi, enabling circular economy with digital infrastructure. We gave this um, speech in one of even in China. So we thought we can share this on our channel as well, just to get some insights about like how can we enable the circular economy with the digital infrastructure. So first, what is circular economy? Let's take some UN data. The circular economy model was introduced by Alan MacArthur. So let's quickly like see in a nutshell what does it. So it has three components. The three components are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Okay. In super short, reduce means it's like when you like a package your product. So for example, you are buying a mobile device or you're buying a juice. So there is a package around it, like a plastic bottle or like um, a cardboard box. How do we reduce the amount of things or the not say ingredients, the amount of raw materials used in that package that can be reduced so it doesn't goes to the landfill, because most of the packaging things goes to the landfill. Yeah, so how do we, so in the start of the supply chain itself we reduce the amount of things used there, so that avoids the increasing in the landfill. Okay, that's the reduce. The more detailed one you can, I will share the link in the description. Um, so let's go to the reuse. Reuse is basically, okay, I buy maybe a shirt or a device or furniture that instead of like after I use it, it goes to the dustbin or landfill. You give it to somebody else or you refurbish it so it goes into the market or to the people consumption again, or you take out those particles from those things and you can use it for other other not say devices, like any other manufacturing things. Yeah, that's one. So reuse is like basically you make it, those items it's reusable. The recycle is the one like when it reaches the landfill you take them, or before even the in very when it's end of its cycle, then you go for the recycle, then you use it for the item and then refurbish or you use it for the other things. Yeah, so in short this is it. So for detailed explanation about this I will share those links because we need to be directly get into the um, some solution. Okay, so how it's circular economy is happening in our life. Yeah, what I just explained is the definitions and all this, how it happens in our life. The first picture I have is that is the milk packets. Okay, I'm not sure it's this scenario exists in every part of the world, but in some part of the world when you use the after you use the milk, right, these packets you can store it in a baggage where this there are some recyclers, they will come and collect these plastic bags because they can use it. So they try to, these items should be like segregated for them because they only like pick up these things. Yeah, that's one thing. Second thing about reuse like the book buy and sell. Yeah, after you read it you go to, it goes to like somebody else. Yeah, it can like sort of like reuse the thing. Okay, so now let's get into the main thing. Current generation who are using social medias and all those things, I mean like averagely they spend like 5 to 8 hours in like social media. Yeah, and a mobile phone. So the solution we need to build, it need to be a convenient for them, and also it should be modern. It cannot be like old school like forms and all those things. It need to be like a modern, it need to be like an intelligent application. So for example when they take the photo it should auto detect like this photo is about like what, um, where the photo is taken on, like which location, blah blah. Yeah, so they expect an intelligent solution as well. So Tradely platform enables this circular economy with this digital infrastructure. Let's see some examples. Reuse and redistribute. Okay, I think in most part of the world you have this buy and sell marketplaces where you can buy this used goods. Yeah, so that's a very straightforward explanation. Tradely provides a similar marketplace solution as well, where people, the community C2C marketplace, people can come there and then post their stuff and then it's available for whether it's for rental or is for donate or they're just selling it. So all those things can be done, and it's when we say modern means, it's like this is what we mean, like people able to like chat each other and all those things, yeah. And if they are like making a trade, they're able to monitor, I mean like see in a nicer way about like how much is the income they made. Or for example, in these in the refurbished and remanufacturing example, we have like things like what are all the things they have refurbished, this list. And also in the next one, you can see in the recycle example where they can like see how much CO2 emissions they have avoided, how much item they have recycle, and then if they want to set up the target, they'll be able to do. Yeah, so this is what we mean by intelligent modern solution. So for the reuse and redistribute, we provide a sort of like a marketplace that allow them to buy, sell, rental, donate, and all those things. Yeah. Then in terms of the refurbish and remanufacture, this is catered to the consumers. And also this, I mean, this is an infrastructure, we give it to you, you can connect with the recycling parties, or the companies who wants to have a one window to collect the items to refurbish and all those things. Yeah, so this can be why we keep providing this mobile app pictures. It's because if you want to create the convenience, you need to provide this convenience to the people, then only it will be part of their lifestyle. If it's gonna be in the website or something, people may not, some people have so many things, they will forget the information. So when it's like this kind of solution, it's like handy. First few times you need to like encourage them all those things, after that it become like a habitual. Yeah. Then finally into the recycle. So the information I shared about connecting with the recycler, it should be like here, but I gone fast. So this is connecting with the brand and then the collectors, and this is for the recycler. This is for the recycler. In this, not just like connecting with the recycling and all those things, the government municipalities also can provide a handy app where they can show what are all the places people can find this recycling bin, because sometimes there are certain items, furnitures and all those things, you can't put it into the dustbin, right? And you can't put it into your trash can in the condos as well. There need to be a separate location for that. So the municipalities can show that. So for example, you have some inflammable batteries or some chemicals, where are you going to put that? Yeah. So when governments can like put up like this kind of map through the app, people will be able to know. This is something like when you like go for like e-bike or like cycles, when you want to take, it shows where the cycles are parked, what are the current available availables, I mean availability across the region. Yeah, so it's that kind of thing. And also when you look for hotels, you see like a map. Yeah, previously you used to see list of things, but now you see map because you want to see the nearby things. Yeah, so like this kind of like handy thing for people to know, and not just like showing like where they can find the bin and trash, and also awareness about like if it's chemicals, what that can, or basically like when they put the items, the system can tell what can be recycled, what cannot be recycled, what like all those information. So by knowing those information, by having those awareness, people also able to make a right decision. Yeah. Then finally is the making people proud in the sense that some sort of like a gamification that allows them, are, I mean, in the current social media world, people need to know like they like to know their likes, their followers, retweets, and all those things. Similar like that, you have some sort of like some gamification stuff where it tells them how much they have contributed to serve the world, how many items they have recycled, yeah, and what if they want to set up some goals for the month. It's like some fitness goals, so it's like recycling goals, yeah. So by having like this kind of like elements inside the digital solutions, we can enable reuse, redistribute, refurbish, and remanufacture, and also the recycle. So if we need to accelerate this solution, we believe that working with others can speed up the adoption. So we build this infrastructure already, and it is a white label, and it's a ready to plug solution. If you are someone from government authorities or from NGO or anybody or brands who wants to quickly launch a solution for to solve your circular economy or to help your circular economy model, contact us. Thank you.